You see the way you fix it now is wrong. This particular place now supposed to be here. That's why you shoot out like this. Look out here and here. Here is deeper than this side. Now
Up like that, I can't turn it before. Not the wrong.
that overall you can turn front to you get it right before. But now it's wrong. It's very, very wrong. Until they might force. Now see the way it is. It will be like this. Do you understand? Now if you put it like this you fix it before. She say it's wrong.
Yeah.
Now what you would if you want to fix it for you not to get it wrong, turn it like this. Do it like this.
Yeah. This is exactly how I do it.
When you fix it, the other side will not go inside. But if you do it like this, it's wrong. So do it this way. Put this one first. See the pin. You get the pin right. But the other fixing is wrong. To fix this thing is not easy. When I dey learn work, I spend more than how many months? More than 6 months. I no sabi fix this thing. You see am? Now, you see any difference?
Yeah.
Now this one will now come.
If you want dismantle them now, if you don't come out that thing, this one, you press something here. It could go inside.
If you want dismantle am.
Yes, like if you don't come out this one, you can't press something here.
Why? Why you press something there? For which one to go inside?
But this one to
This one is lining.
okay, this one is
Lining adjustment. Now, if you want to put it inside where we fixed it the other day, that's when you push this one in. When you push this one in,
okay,
you go adjust inside. The belt, the cable now will go inside for you to access the pedal.
Okay. So anytime when you don't come out this one, you just shift this one back.
Yeah.